Classical Conversations, Essentials Chart F, which is your pronoun chart. Starting with the definition. A pronoun replaces a noun in order to avoid repetition. A pronoun replaces a noun in order to avoid repetition. Then we have personal pronouns. And going down the chart, we have first person singular, second person singular, third person singular, which is he, she, it. So first is I, second is you, third is he, she, it. He, she, it. Then we have first person plural, second person plural, more than one, and then third person plural. We could also go backwards with that as well. Okay, so first makes an I, second is a you, third person he, she, it, right? So now going down the different types of pronouns. The first ones are the subjective or nominative pronouns. And there's a song for these. Let me tell you about the nominative pronouns. Listen while I say I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Okay, they're behind us. There's a bunch of them. And you can even move back and forth if you want to do that with your 3 fingers. And then the song for objective pronouns is the same. Let me tell you about objective pronouns. Listen once again. Me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. Then we have the possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns show belonging to. Okay, we're using a test sentence. This is mine, this is yours. We're going to use this is and fill in the blank. Okay, so it says possessive pronouns show belonging to. This is mine, this is yours, this is his, this is hers, this is ours, this is yours, this is theirs. Then we have the possessive pronoun adjectives. We say there are possessive pronouns which act as adjectives. This is my food, this is your food, this is his, her, or its food, this is our food, this is your food, this is their food. We like food better than a car because what it has a car. And then reflexive pronouns, okay, that's like looking at yourself in a mirror. We'll do that to the tune of Down by the Bay. So, I look at myself, I look at myself, you look at yourself, you look at yourself, he looks at himself, he looks at himself, she looks at herself, she looks at herself, it looks at itself, it looks at itself, we look at ourselves, we look at ourselves, you look at yourselves, you look at yourselves, they look at themselves, they look at themselves. So you can repeat that back and forth with your child if you want, or as a tutor to the students. Then we have the other pronouns down at the bottom. The demonstrative pronouns. We do give me this, give me that, give me these, give me those, give me this, that, these, and those. We're demonstrating what we want. Give me this, give me that, give me these, give me those, give me this, that, these, and those. Okay? And then we have the interrogative pronouns. Those are the owl pronouns. Who, whom, whose, which, what. Or there's a little chant that interrogative pronouns. Who, whom, whose, which, what. You can do either one of those. Indefinite pronouns. There's a little song for those. And I suggest learning this as opposed to writing them every time. Indefinite pronouns. All, another. Any, anybody, anyone, anything. Both, each, either. Indefinite. Everybody, everyone, everything, few, many, more, most. Neither, nobody, none, one. Other, several, some. Somebody, someone, such. Indefinite pronouns. And then lastly are the relative pronouns to the tune of Are You Sleeping? So, relative pronouns, who, whom, whose, who, whom, whose, whomever, whoever, whoever, whomever, that that which what, that which what, whatever.